Presenting Bose Home Speaker 300. This speaker delivers room-rocking bass and 360-degree lifelike sound that can get you on the track. The speaker comes with Alexa built-in voice control and Google Assistant. There is a custom-designed 6-microphone array for superior voice pickup. An elegant light bar will help visually indicate when your voice assistant is listening, thinking, or speaking. The Bose Music app allows you to browse and play music from your current library, access integrated music services, and set up individual accounts for everyone in the house. This speaker supports all smartphones and tablets with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Apple AirPlay 2 connectivity. You can manage music with your voice, the Bose Music app, or 6 one-touch presets on top of the speaker. The speaker is available in black and silver color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.